Physical properties of metals. Physical state. All metals are solid at room temperature except mercury. Luster. All metals have shiny appearance. Hardness. All metals are hard except sodium and potassium. Malleability. Most metals can be beamed into thin sheets. Gold and silver are highly malleable metals. Tensile strength. Metals have high tensile strength, that is, they don't break under stress. Ductility. Most metals can be drawn into thin wires. Conductivity. All metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. Sonorous. Metals produce sound when hit by an object. Density. Metals are denser, heavier than water except sodium and potassium. Physical properties of nonmetals. Nonmetals are found in three states: solid, example sulfur; liquid, example bromine; and gases, example oxygen. Nonmetals are poor conductors of heat and electricity. For example, coal does not conduct electricity, but graphite is an exception, as being a nonmetal it conducts electricity. Nonmetals break easily, or we can say nonmetals are brittle. That means they are non-malleable and non-ductile. They cannot be converted into thin sheet or wires. Nonmetals are generally soft, for example sulfur, but diamond, which is a form of carbon, is an exception as it is hard. Nonmetals are non-lustrous, that means they do not have a shiny surface. For example sulfur. Iodine is an exception. Nonmetals are non-sonorous. This means they do not make sounds. Example, sulfur, iodine. Nonmetals have low melting and boiling points except diamond. For example, sulfur has a low melting point as well as a low boiling point. Nonmetals have low densities. For example,